The Rack Shop is proud to present this fitment for the 05 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab. This is the Yakima SkyLine HD bar base roof rack system. So HD load bar 68 inches in length, the SkyLine tower set of 4, and landing pad set number 24. So this does have a quick release feature. So locks are recommended but not required and are available separately. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 220 pounds. Crossbars are spaced at 40 and 5/8 inches. So a great system for this truck. Modification to the trim is required, so make sure you read the instructions and that you're up for that before tackling this project. We would recommend, if you're sensitive to noise, to pick up a rubber fill strip for the bottom of the front load bar. That seems to help out for noise generated by this HD load bar. So it's just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase the complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. It's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.